pretties, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Thania and I film all kinds of pink, girly, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos on this channel. So if that's something you're into, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and turn on bell notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. So for today's video, we are doing yet another beauty room closet video. So I recently finally got my jewelry organizers I've been talking about. They finally came in from Amazon, so I wanted to go ahead and organize all my jewelry with you guys, as well as show you guys some new additions to my room. I have just been kind of doing a lot of updates and stuff because I want to do an updated room tour. I've just been doing pretty much things that I've had on my wish list for this room, although I know the last room tour it looked really great. I think I'll ever be done doing things to this room because there's always an upgrade I want to do or something else. So truly, you probably will see beauty room videos forever and ever. So yeah. Speaking of jewelry, I got some new jewelry from Jeulia. You guys know I love jewelry from Jeulia. The necklace I'm wearing right now is actually the last necklace that I got from them. You guys saw this in another video. Isn't it so freaking adorable? I'm so obsessed with it. In the sun, it just sparkles like crazy. It's so beautiful. And I also got two new rings. I'm just gonna scoot up. This is one of the rings right here. Oh my gosh, is this not just the most precious ring you've ever seen? Also got the teardrop one right here. Low-key looks like I'm married now. So yeah, this one comes with like two, it's like a little band and then the teardrop ring, and then they just go together like so. So here's what it looks like. And then this is just my Pandora ring, so it's just these two rings that I got right here, the rose gold with the pink. I'll link the rings down below for you guys if y'all are interested. They have the most gorgeous rings. You guys will see these rings throughout the video, but both of these are also from Jeulia. So I'll just link all of the rings down below. My entire ring collection is basically from Jeulia, except for my Pandora ring that Manny gave me as an anniversary gift. But everything else is from Jeulia because I'm obsessed. They have the cutest rings ever and they don't turn your finger green. It's because they give you these awesome little things with every jewelry piece, and this cleans them. Like if they start tarnishing or whatever, this will literally clean your ring. I cleaned my Pandora ring with this as well because my Pandora ring just got so janky over the summer. Like look, I just cleaned a little more off right now and look, it literally leaves it sparkling. Looks like new now. So yeah, I just love that about Jeulia, that they give you these little things with each piece that you get. It's a huge plus that it's pink. So yes, I love those little cloths. I don't know what's in them. It's called a silver polishing cloth, and it's made of high quality cotton with silver cleaner and anti-tarnish agent. So really awesome that they do this. Totally worth every penny just because it lasts so much longer, that they give you these little cloths. I even clean my Tiffany's necklace with this, my silver Tiffany's necklace, and it looks like brand new because you're not supposed to shower or anything with silver. You're not even supposed to get water on silver because it will tarnish, and I'm not careful. I don't really care. I still shower with my jewelry, well, with that Tiffany's necklace on. Not my rings. It bothers me to shower with rings, but yes, I still shower with some of my silver jewelry, so it's just so awesome to have these on hand. So yeah, anyway, I rambled on enough about rings. Let's go ahead and get started with the video. So I have my coffee and I just lit a candle. These have been my two routine things to do every single day, but I'm going to be finishing my organizational video, which you guys know I got some organizers for my pack system and they came in, so I'm so excited, and I just want to go ahead and organize all this and wrap up what I got to do in this room. Today we're also going to be putting up a new chandelier. I know you guys have seen this one that I have, and it's super cute. However, it's a one bulb chandelier, and also whenever I removed my fan, I don't know if you guys can see that round circle thing around it, where we had painted this ceiling white because this room used to be all tan, and there's like a little circle of tan up there, but it's not really noticeable unless you really pay attention. You might have not even noticed it till I told you just now. But yeah, I got a frame and a new chandelier, a bigger chandelier for this room. I'm so excited. And he knows how to do like electrical stuff, so he's going to set this up for me whenever he gets home from work because he's such a sweetheart. But in the meantime, the organizers, these are from, this is like the brand, it's called Blendo, but it's on Amazon, so I'm just going to link all of these organizers below. And there's some stuff still on my couch right now because I've been just cleaning and organizing this room like crazy this week, and I've kind of separated it into different projects because I don't want to overwhelm myself. But I'm so excited to be getting these, and I feel like kind of separating it in sections, it makes me more excited to do it because I don't like burn myself out. So let's go ahead and organize my jewelry. I think I'm just gonna start by taking absolutely everything out. So that's usually my rule of thumb when I organize anything. I take everything out of the area and clean it, make sure it's dust free, starting with a clean canvas. I need some coffee first though. Open this first one. I got them so that they'll fit perfectly. So this is what it looks like. And these were, I mean, I'm not gonna say super pricey. They were like, it depends which one, a little pricey, like $10 to $15 each. And they just have these little dividers. They actually feel really good quality. They feel really nice and sturdy. They even feel sturdier than like the ones you get at Ross. It feels very well made. It just says Blondo right here in the corner as well. So I'm not sure how these are all going to go, but I'm just going to go ahead and unbox them all and speed this forward. Around a little bit because I noticed these are taller. I don't know if you can see the height difference, but these front ones are taller than these like 4 section divider ones. So I put all the taller ones towards the front so that it doesn't look weird when the door's closed. And all of these skinnier ones I'm just placing towards the back. And these fit perfect, like 3 down this way. I don't know how they would fit the other way. I didn't really try to do that. I kind of measured so that they would fit perfectly like this. But if you did decide to fit them like this, you could make more use of like the back of this, I guess. But then you would have like a really awkward like space. Like if I'll just scoot it over so you can see it on this side. You would have like this really awkward space right here. But you could fit these along the top and then 3 along the back if you wanted to make more use of the space you have, the utilization. But I'm really picky, so I did not want to do that. So I just love how they line up all perfectly horizontally. So make sure the Blondo logo is straight. So I really like how they fit so snug and perfect. next to each other like this. And the reason why I decided that I wanted it like this is because I have a lot of jewelry boxes that I like to keep and I don't have anywhere to store it. So it is so perfect to store my jewelry boxes all the way in the back, you know, since I don't really like reach for those as often. I also have like my little Tiffany's bag, you know, just little things like that that I don't necessarily want out displayed. I even have like a little Pandora. Okay, so these adorable little this little heart set, I've gotten a lot of questions about. I have the bracelet and the necklace, and this set is from Happiness Boutique, so I will link it down below. They actually gifted this set to me, and it was so nice of them, so I will definitely link them. So the necklace, I wore it last time, and I guess it got a little tangled after I took it off. So I do have like a very big soft spot for really dainty jewelry. Like, I just love how these necklaces look right here. And there's enough space to even put my Tiffany locket. Cute and organized does this look. I'm so obsessed with it. Didn't know if I wanted, because these will be hiding out if I put them in there, so. Also has like a little section for like rings and stuff, and I would usually use this for my everyday stuff. I found this at a Home Goods, and I think I'm going to display just like my watches, which I only have 2 watches. This one and my Michael Kors, but just like bracelets that fit on this I'm gonna leave. The thing is that I can't put bangles on this because they don't fit, so I just keep just the ones that fit, like my Juicy Couture. This is super ancient, it's even tarnishing. I wonder if I can get the silver clean because I think it's sterling silver, so I'm probably gonna have to get a silver cleaner. So I have these like really old gross chokers that are just like, it's just fantasy jewelry, so I'm just gonna get rid of these because I don't wear chokers anymore, so it's time to let those go. It's been a long time coming for that. This is just a little Coco Mademoiselle oil that I like to use on my body on like date nights and stuff. And then I just have some like little perfume. These are YSL perfume samples that I got when I was interested in trying that out, and I ended up buying it. This is a ring that I got on Amazon to go with my princess ring, but it's like really, this was like stainless and it's just like very dull now. It used to be really shiny. So that's the thing about Amazon jewelry that I'm going to tell you guys. Fine jewelry is always going to be worth your money because fine jewelry just lasts longer. So I would recommend you spend the, what, $80, $100 for the little ring like this. That'll last, because this literally only lasted me like a few months. So I'm probably going to end up purchasing the ring from Pandora, the little like rhinestone ring that goes like underneath this one. I don't know if you guys have ever seen it. I always just say that fine jewelry is so much more worth the price. Now, I always get questions about these. These are actually from Amazon, so I'll link them. But this is more like costume jewelry, I guess. So I don't mind if these, you know, get ruined in the future, because I don't plan on wearing these on a daily, every single day, if that makes sense. These are more like fashion, like a fashion piece. Okay guys, so my other chandelier is gone. Medallion. I found this on Amazon, so I'll link it below. And the old one, babe, you're sitting on it. The old one's right here. We're gonna repurpose this one for something else. Maybe the guest bathroom. I just want it somewhere where it'll look nice because it's small, you know. I kind of wanted it in here, but we would have to go in the attic and see if there's connections and all of that. So I guess I can show you guys the jewelry drawer. This is how it looks so far. It's a little empty. I'm telling you guys, I'm not a huge jewelry person, but I'm so happy to have this organized the way that it looks. It looks so nice.
Hanging right here like this.
Oh, okay. That's perfect.
Looks good though.
Huh?
There.
Looks good.
Okay. How you want it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, honey.
You're welcome.
Look how beautiful it is. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with it. I'm just sitting here admiring it. Guys, that was everything for my little cleaning, organizing video. I know how much you guys love watching me organize things, so I'm always going to film them. So I know you guys might have noticed this. I just realized you guys might have noticed this in the intro, but I have a little bag here, and I talked to you guys about this bag on my stories. I got this from a seller and it was a really good price, so you guys can DM me if you guys want the info. Oh, smells like a brand new car. I just love how new bags smell. They smell like a new car. I still have the stuffing in it, so give me a minute. So this is what the inside looks like. It has like this suede material. Here's a little tag. Super cute. I've been wanting a white bag for summer and now I have one. Okay guys, so that is everything for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys over on my Instagram because I'm always on Instagram. So yeah, see you guys over there. I love y'all and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.